participants should know before their first moot. Eigentlich auch vom Hintergrund nicht mehr viel sehen. Great. Best thing I did during my studies. It has influenced my career quite a lot, I think. I'm not sure if it has opened a lot of doors, but it certainly has showed me a lot of doors that I probably wouldn't have found otherwise. It started after I had finished my legal education at Humboldt University and I started the Referendariat. In Germany you have to do 2 years of Referendariat, a clerkship where you go through different stages of the legal field, and when I had to apply for a law firm, I talked to people that I had met at the Vis Moot in Vienna, and so I started working for an international law firm in their international arbitration department, did investment arbitration and commercial arbitration there. I later did part of my Referendariat at the ICDR in New York, where I had met the director at the Vis Moot. After I finished my Referendariat, somebody who I met in the Vis Moot asked me if I would know anybody who would be interested in teaching international arbitration and international commercial law in Japan, and so I said, yeah, I think I know somebody who might be interested. I would be interested. So I think it has shown me a lot of doors. A lot of the things that I did during my life came through the moot court, and probably without the moot courts my professional life may not have had such a way towards international dispute resolution and international commercial law. I guess a lot of the experience that you make, you just have to make on the way. One thing that I often tell mooties before they start is the moot court is primarily, in my view, not a competition, but it's a student experience. One thing to keep in mind is also that judging how good a presentation is has a very subjective element. There's a lot of luck involved whether you are successful in the moot court or not, and every year I see brilliant mooties that give excellent presentation, but maybe they're not so lucky, they don't find the arbitrators that are exactly into this argument, or whatever can go wrong, and then they don't make it to the round of 64. I think the important thing is to embrace the experience that you make on the way, to make connections, to make friends in the moot courts. You learn a lot on the way that you may later be able to use in practice. The top 3 skills, well, you certainly need a very sound understanding of your case, of the law, of your arguments. You need good presentation skills. You have to wrap your story in a nice and entertaining story. You also have to appeal to the emotions of the arbitrators. One arbitrator once said after a hearing, you also have to make me want to decide for your side, for your client. The third skill that you need, I think you need a big portion of luck if you really want to win the moot court competition.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.